Hi children, I am Surangi Perera from the Department of Education, Central Province. How are you today? Hope you all are fine and safe. Today, I have got two notes from my friends. They have wished me for this video lesson. Let's read them. This is the note one which was sent by my friend Jagat. 30th November 2020. Surangi, wish you good luck for your video lesson. I will watch it. Jagat. This is the second one, which was sent by my friend Malik. Okay, children. Now, you tell me which is the most suitable one as a note. Yes, the first one. There are some problems in the second one. Let's see what are they. Let's compare two notes. This is the first one and this is the second one. In the second one, you can see the title and also the address. In both notes, you can see the date. In the second one, again, there is a greeting. And look at the salutation. In the first one, it is just the name of the receiver. But in the second one, there is a salutation with the name. And look at and also there is a beginning in the second one. And look at the content in the first note. It is very simple, to the point. And also the contracted form is used. And look at the complex content in the second one. There are so many unnecessary details. And also he could have used the contracted form. And also there is a complementary sentence. Again in the first note, there just the name of the sender, Jagat. But there is a full name in the second one with so many details. So, let's see the weaknesses in details. There is no title. There should not be the address. Date is there, but it is optional. There is no greeting and there is no salutation, only the name of the receiver. I must say this, as you know, we write a note to a person that we know very well. So, no need to write the salutation. And also we write a note regarding a matter that we know very well. So, no need to write a beginning. We can straight away come to the message. Directly we can write the content. So, we need not to write the beginning. Now, look at the content. The content also should be very short, direct and to the point. Also, you must use the simple language. And you can use the contracted forms like this. Also, you should not write the complementary sentence. I told you that we write a note to a person that we know very well. So, no need to write the further things. So, just you can mention the name of the sender. So, that's why I told there are some weaknesses in the second writing. So, it is more like a letter, not a note. So, you can say that these are the key features of a note. So, let's improve the second writing as a note. No topic, no address, only the date. No greeting, no salutation, only the name of the receiver. No beginning. The content. I came to know that you are going to do a video lesson. That is an unnecessary thing. So we don't write that. I would like to convey my well wishes for your lesson to be done. That is a complex language. So simply we can write, I wish you good luck for your video lesson. I will watch the video lesson. No need to mention the video lesson again. we can replace it the pronoun it, and also we can use the contracted form. I'll watch it. No complementary sentence. And also we can just write the name of the sender, Malik. Okay, this is how we can improve the second writing as a note. Okay, children. Now you are familiar with the key features of a note. Let's see the format of a note. Okay, try to label these boxes. Identify and label them. What is the first one? Yes, it is the date, but it is optional. This one is the receiver's name, to whom the note for. And this is the content or the information we need to convey. And finally, it is the sender's name or who writes the note. Okay, so far you know the features of a note and also the format of a note. Keeping all these things in your mind, let's go to the task. Task 1. Please read it. Madhavi writes a note to Roshan telling that she forgot to return his book and she will return it tomorrow. Okay, I will ask you a question. Do we need to mention the date here as it is optional? Yes, we need to mention the date here because giving what is today gives a meaning to the word tomorrow. So we need to write the date here. And the second question, who writes the note? The question says Madhavi writes a note. Then the sender or the writer is Madhavi. To whom? Madhavi writes a note to Roshan. So Roshan is the receiver. Okay, now let's see how can we write the content. To write the content, I use this method. Normally, the question is given in the third person's viewpoint. But here, you have to assume that you are the person who writes the note. So, you need to imagine that you are Madhavi here. So, she means you, that means I. So, I am going to derive the content from the question itself. For that, I have taken the same sentence in the question. But you can see that I have highlighted the pronouns here. I am going to change the pronoun accordingly. Let's see how can we do that. She means Madhavi. That's mean I. You write the note to Roshan. So his mean your. That mean Roshan's. So you can write a new sentence. I forgot to return your book and I will return it tomorrow. So finally we can write the note like this. Very simple. Okay children. Now let's do another task. It is the text 6 on page 10 in Self-Learning and Assessing Kit practice papers. Okay, please read the question. You and your friend were searching for a rare book both of you wanted to read. You found the book in the public library. Write a note to your friend and promise to lend him or her the book soon after you finish reading it. Use about 40 to 50 words. Here, the question has not given a specific names for receiver, sender or date. So, you have to imagine all these things. There's no problem. It is up to you to decide. Let's see how can we write the content. I have taken the same sentences from the question itself. Here also I am going to change the pronouns accordingly. You and your friend means we. Both of you means us. So, I can write a new sentence. We were searching for a rare book both of us wanted to read. You found the book in the public library. So I changed the sentence. I found the book in the public library. Also, I can write, I promise to lend you the book soon after I finish reading it. So, these are the newly formed sentences derived from the question itself. If you like, you can use these sentences for your content, but I am going to improve them further. Let's take the first one. We were searching for a rare book both of us wanted to read. Here they are talking about a book. So I am going to describe the book. A rare book we were searching for, both of us wanted to read. As already we know about the book, I changed the article. The rare book we were searching for, both of us wanted to read. I'll take the second sentence and I'm going to describe the book with the sentence I formed. I found the book. I found the rare book we were searching for, both of us wanted to read. And directly I can take the third sentence. So this is how I can use the formed sentence in writing a note. I have used the imaginary names for receiver and the sender. Surangi, I found the rare book we were searching for, both of us wanted to read. I promise to lend you it soon after I read in it. Please make sure to return it safely. That is an extra sentence I have added. Okay, children. So far, you have identified the key features of a note and also the format of a note. And also, you learned how can you form the content. How can you derive the content out from the sentences in the question itself by changing the pronouns accordingly. If you use all these methods, I'm sure you can come out with a better production. You can write more and more notice to practice this. I'm sure you will do it. Okay, finally, I like to draw your attention to how you are awarded marks for your writing. Normally, you are get a note writing under question number 6 in paper 1 in the G.C.E O-level examination. 5 marks are allocated for this, 2 for content and 3 for language. This is how you are given marks for content and this is how the marks are distributed for the language. To score the maximum marks for content, you need to include all the points. So make sure to include all the points they have asked. To get the maximum marks for the language, you need to write almost all the sentences without any grammatical error. So, I'm sure you can do it. So, wish you all the best.